Hey, I'm so glad you stopped by. I changed one thing in my day, starting the day today, and it's made all the difference in the world. And I've been awake for maybe an hour and a half. Let me tell you about it. So here's the deal. I've had a writing practice for years where I've started my day writing, usually 3 pages a day. And that's great. It's really, really great. Nothing like journaling to start your day. Today, I journaled differently, and that's what I would like to invite you to try. What I did was I started my journaling off with how I want to feel at the end of the day. How I want to feel at the end of the day. Not what I want to do, what I want to accomplish, what my tasks are, not my top 3 or my top 6 or any of that stuff. I journaled how I wanted to feel, and I spent about 5 minutes considering and just jotting a few things. And I felt instantly relieved that that was my task for today and that everything that I do fits into that, including this. Right now I'm starting to feel self-conscious because downtown is waking up and there's a whole bunch of people that keep walking by, and I'm feeling a little bit weird about that. But if you would do me a favor, before you leave this video, would you please like and subscribe? Because I love coming up with tips for journaling and writing and creativity that will make your life better. And don't we all want that? We want to know how we want to feel. And we want, I think, universally, to feel better every day. So thanks for watching. This is Julie Jordan Scott, the Creative Life Midwife. Look in the description box for more ways to hang out with me, because I would like nothing better than to connect with you again.